Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that might just change the game for everyone in their 40s tuning in all over the world. Have you ever wondered if it's too late to start investing in your 40s with hopes of reaching that millionaire milestone? Well, what if I told you that transforming $1,000 into $1 million is not as impossible as it sounds? Stick around because I'm about to unveil 5 crucial investing secrets that can help you achieve just that. Why focus on your 40s? This is a time when many have more financial stability, potentially higher income, but also less time to save for retirement compared to those in their 20s or 30s. That's why making smart investment choices now becomes crucial. Let's jump into the very first secret. Compounding interest. Compounding interest is often called the eighth wonder of the world. Here's how it works. The returns you earn each year add to your original investment amount, and then these returns start earning returns themselves. To put this into perspective, if you invest $1,000 at an annual return rate of 10%, you don't just make $100 every year. Each year's gains add to the principal, accelerating your wealth growth over time. Imagine this effect over 20 or 30 years. Moving on to the second secret, diversification. You've heard it. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. For investments, this means spreading your money across different types of investments like stocks, bonds, real estate, or even precious metals. Why? Because market conditions affect different sectors differently. If one investment dips, others might rise, balancing out the risk. Next up, let's talk about mutual funds. Especially if picking stocks isn't your forte or you don't have the time to monitor markets daily. Mutual funds pool money from many investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks or bonds. It's managed by professionals who understand market nuances, making mutual funds a less hands-on but potentially profitable investment. Fourth on our list is the Systematic Investment Plan, or SIP. Systematic investment plans allow you to invest a fixed amount regularly in your chosen mutual fund. Why does it shine? Because it embodies the principle of dollar-cost averaging, where you invest regardless of the market's state, averaging out the purchase cost of your investments. Lastly, we talk about staying informed and seeking advice. Your 40s are a great time to perhaps seek a financial advisor. These professionals can provide personalized advice based on your financial situation, goals, and risk tolerance. They can help you avoid common pitfalls and align your investments with your long-term financial goals. Remember, informed decisions are the backbone of successful investing. Now, before we wrap up, if you found today's video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Got any questions or have your own tips for investing in your 40s? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. And remember, it's never too late to start making smart financial decisions that could lead to that $1 million portfolio. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.